Make sure the Developer tab is displayed on your editing ribbon. Open the VBA editor. Right-click a sheet. Hover your cursor over Insert and click Module. It will create a space for you to enter a VBA code and run it. Enter this code into your VBA window. With this code, you'll be inserting rows starting at A1 and ending at A5. That's 5 empty new rows at the top of the sheet. Press F5. Alternatively, you can click the green play icon above the VB Editor writing space. This adds the rows to your sheet.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.